That's clean. Yeah. That's the original part of it? Sorry, it's sold? This year, sir? $12,000? It just sold? Or was that how you got it?
That's the raw body was sold for that.
For $12,000? Holy! How much did it all take to like restore?
Well, the guy I didn't do it. The guy that did it spent $38,000 in just parts.
$38,000 in just parts. Not even. Wow, that's crazy.
It's insured for $80,000.
I bet. No, yeah. This is an RT too. Phenomenal. Yeah, this is definitely worth something now. That's amazing. How long did you have it? Had it for?
2 years.
2 years? Yeah. That's a good purchase. That is an excellent purchase. You're gonna keep it, I'm assuming, eh?
Until I die.
Yeah. Wow. Where'd you find it?
There's a place out in Gory.
Yeah.
Fantastic motors.
Yeah.
He has all kinds of these cars coming up.
These ones, right? And you just had.
This one was restored just in Flathead Hill, the other side of the house.
Really? That's it? Oh, that's not bad. Wow. And so, how much did you pick it up for, if you don't mind me asking? $70,000? Holy! Hey, it's still worth it, right? Especially with the way prices are nowadays.
I bought it for $70,000 and I've got the appraisal for $82,000.
Yeah. Is it like a full resto, like even the exhaust, all original kind of thing?
Look underneath.
Yeah.
It's what they call a rotisserie.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right.
Motor's rebuilt,
Yeah.
rebuilt, the rear end rebuilt.
So it was more of a like all resto, nothing more, nothing less.
I've
kind
got
of
a
thing.
memory stick at home.
Yeah.
There's 950 pictures of the restaurants.
Really? That's phenomenal.
Yeah, that's brought right back to what it. In the book there's a, I guess you call it a dealer brochure.
Yeah.
Everything here is brought back to what it was there.
Really?
Yeah, right back to the way.
That's why it's worth $70,000. It's probably worth more than that now, to be honest with you. I would say it's like 100 grand.
We'll never know, because I won't sell it.
Yeah, exactly, right? That's phenomenal. Well, thank you. Appreciate it, eh?